Hello students, welcome back to the class. During the last class we have discussed about what are the characteristics of terrorism, in which we have discussed about the features. In the last class we have discussed about the definition, meaning of terrorism. Okay. In this class we are going for a new topic which is called as types of terrorism. What are the important types of terrorism we will discuss in the class. Students, already we know what is meant by terrorism. Whenever if you are writing any answers, okay, first always we have to write introduction, then we have to write definition, then you have to write main points. Most of the students during the exam, what they will do, directly they will start with the main points. If you start with the main points, there only you will lose the marks. Whenever if you are writing anything, first you have to give the introduction about it, definition about it, then main points, and after writing you have to write conclusion, what you have understand from this answer. So whenever we are starting the any topic also, first introduction is important. So terrorism, already we know that this is an unlawful activities against to the civilians. Okay. So we have discussed already that in India is a main problem, they are facing with a problem of terrorism. Internally as well as externally our country is facing a problem of terrorism. Okay. There are various means of terror. Okay, terror is not restraining to only one particular region, but it is spreading all over the world. Okay. Now, in this terrorism, in this topic we are going to study about what are the important types of terrorism. Okay, we are going forward. Children's, emergence of terrorism, first introduction we have to write, terrorism is a grave danger for the mankind which are facing on 21st century. Now we are in 21st century. In this century, what is the most danger and what are the problem we are facing now is terrorism is one of the great problem. Today we are facing that problem, terrorism. Terrorism will restrain the development. If there is a terrorism in any society, they will not let the society to develop. Society have to spend all the resources to maintain the administrative function. Okay, every country have many functions, administrative function, development function. If the if any states can spend extra amount, if the apart from administration, that amount they can spend for development. If all the amount, whatever the government which they are getting income from the tax, if all the amount if the government is spending for the administrative purpose only or to control the country, how the society will develop? So similarly, society, if the society is a peaceful society, then what happen? That society can able to develop very fast. But whatever the income government is getting, if all the income government spent for administrative purpose only, so there will be no development. If the government, so here also same thing, terrorism is one of the grave danger, and this is a grave danger for whole mankind, and this is a danger for the mankind in the present century, 21st century. Every country and every world is facing a problem. Terrorism restraining the development of the country. Okay, whenever the country wanted to develop, if there is a terrorism, if the country is facing a problem of terrorism, the country cannot able to develop. It's act as a barrier in the path of development, in the way of development, terrorism is act as a barrier. So this is a global menace. So this is not only restraining to one particular region, this is not only restraining to one particular area, this is a problem which is facing all over the globe. Okay, and this terrorism is a greatest danger for the peace, prosperity as well as development of society. Terrorism is a greatest problem for our peace. Society cannot let peaceful life if there is a terrorist activities. Children's, terrorist activities are mainly involve the violence method. Wherever the violence activities will start, that society will never be the peaceful society. Okay, three things are very, very important. If there is a terrorism, then the society cannot let peace and prosperity, and there will be no development in the society if the society is facing a problem of terrorism. So main thing is security, defense security as well as internal security is very, very important. Okay, that people should be free from terror. Now come to the point, main points, types of administration, types of terrorism. Children, there are many types of terrorism. Now in this topic we are going to study about what are the various types of terrorism, and in the next class we will discuss briefly about one point of terrorism, what is meant by this. So according to Second Administrative Reform Commission, India have reported that in 2008 they have classified terrorism into nearly 5 types. Okay, they classified the terrorism into how many types? They have classified the terrorism for nearly 5 types. So according to the second Administrative Reform Commission, okay, this commission according to the second Administrative Reform Commission, which was made by Indian report in 2008, they classified that all over the world terrorisms are mainly classified into nearly 5 types. Now we will discuss what are the 5 types of terrorism. First one is called as ethno-nationalist terrorism. Ethno-nationalist terrorism, this is the first point. Second thing, if you see, religious terrorisms, okay, religious terrorism. Third one, if you see, ideology oriented terrorism, ideology oriented terrorism. Fourth one, if you see, state sponsored terrorism, state sponsored terrorism. And fifth one, if you see, narco terrorism, narco terrorism. So these are the main 5 points of terrorism. Apart from them, if you are going to the other point, there are some other point of terrorism. If you see other types of terrorisms, like now we can find environmental terrorism is also arising, cyber terrorism, okay, which are quietly related to the internet as well as computer, suicide terrorism. Now these are the main 3 other form of terrorism. So overall, if you see, main 5 points we have discussed, and these are the 3 important things which is originating slowly. Okay, one is environmental terrorism, one is called cyber terrorism, one is suicide terrorism. So these are the 3 important point of terrorism. So what we have discussed, children, in this point we are discussing about the types of terrorism. So first, we already have discussed what is meant by terrorism. Terrorism is quite unlawful activities, okay, unlawful activities, and this terrorism against civilians, whatever the activities which are quite unlawful against civilians, so we can call it as terrorism. Terrorism is a great danger for not only the present society but all over the world. Today in 21st century, most of the countries are facing a problem, and that is terrorism. Okay, this is not only the regional problem, but this is a global menace from all over the globe. And whatever the activities which are involving terrorism, so these activities cannot lead peaceful life, prosperity, and there will be no development in the society. Okay, the area does not have peace, prosperity, as well as there will be no development for any society if the society is facing a problem of terrorism. So whatever the society, if they are facing a problem of terrorism, that society does not lead a peace, prosperity, as well as development of any society. According to the second Administrative Reform Commission, okay, they presented the Indian reports. According to this commission, they have presented in India. According to this commission, they classified that terrorism in mainly classified into 5 types in 2008. So this commission have presented a report to India. According to this commission, they classified that in India, overall world, there are major 5 important types of terrorisms are getting involved, and they have stated this 5 terrorism in 2008. They made a classification that there are nearly 5 important types of terrorism we can find. First one is called ethno-nationalist terrorism. Second one is religious terrorism. Third one is ideology oriented terrorism. Fourth one is state sponsored terrorism, and fifth one is called as narco terrorism. These are the 5 important points of terrorism. On the other hand, when you are going, there are some other form of terrorism. One is called as environmental terrorism, cyber terrorism, and suicide terrorism. So these are the other form of terrorism we have seen. So overall, when you are saying about terrorist activities, there are mainly 8 types of terrorism, children. So all over the world, the terrorism is operating nearly 8 types. So this we have discussed. So already we have discussed that the commission have presented a report. Second Administrative Reform Commission have made a report, according to which they have classified totally 8 types of terrorism. So these 5 terrorisms are mainly main type of terrorisms, and other terrorism which we have discussed now, environmental terrorism, cyber terrorism, and suicide terrorism, are being originated recently. Okay. So children, the next class will meet you, we will discuss what are the important part of this terrorism. So we will discuss briefly about what is ethno-nationalist terrorism, what is religious terrorism, what is ideological oriented terrorism, what is state sponsored terrorism, what is called as narco terrorism, what is meant by environmental terrorism, what is called cyber terrorism, what is called suicide terrorism. So everything we will discuss in the next class briefly. So thank you very much children, we will meet you in the next class and briefly we will discuss about each and every points of terrorism. Thank you very much.